we have more family coming on Friday. So we're gonna drop it here in the drive. We're gonna scoop it with the tractor, put it in there. So hopefully one load does it all. We have it level all the way across. And so now I gotta go up to the front, remove the hay spear. I gave the cows hay last night, and put the bucket on. So this guy's gonna be here in about 30 minutes or so. And let's get to it. Got the wife working with me today. All right, gotta get her fired up. She should have no issues. Start. But she is a little beast when it does get nippy outside. So let me hop up in here. We got the quick disconnect. We'll drop this over there since we won't need it, and we'll be hooking up the bucket. So let's get her fired up. bad. It's getting easier every time I do it. So, what did it take? Less than 5 minutes. Put the bucket on, drop the hay fork. Now we just wait. So, we'll listen for the dump truck coming over the hill. We'll open it up and let them drop it. Then it's time to get to work. So, see you all in a few. All right, they are here. And here he comes. We'll turn the camera on and I'll walk and have him follow me down for the drop point. All right. All right, there she is. I don't know if it's gonna be enough, but it's a start. Let's walk back up and get the tractor, find a rake, and get going. Stand by for the progress. Let's do it. All right, we're doing a little brake adjustment with the weight of the bucket. Can't get up on the hill and stop without it rolling back. So remember, we did put brakes on this in the spring, but now we're just tightening them up a little bit, and I'm taking one full turn on each side, and it seems to give me a little bit more brake. So give me just a second to crawl under. Let's see. So that's gonna go upwards, right? Right?
Yes.
One, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that should be mirroring the other side. Which is not. Yeah. Okay. This one's got a lot of tension on it. This one doesn't. Damn. So I guess I'll take a couple more, and you just push down and wait till you feel the resistance.
On the outside pedal?
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, I feel it. Be careful of this pin, so hold on. Here. Alright, does this pedal...
I feel it.
Does it match the other pedal is what I'm getting at. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Distance-wise.
That one grabs there. It seems like it grabs a little sooner.
One grabs sooner. Why?
I don't know.
What don't you know? This pedal, when you feel it, don't push down. When you, hold on. When you feel it, go down. Okay, you feel it when
Right
it hits?
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does the other pedal match that?
A little lower.
Lower? Like I need to tighten it up?
It's lower than the other one, so. Up.
Hold on. Okay.
I don't know if I'm feeling the spring or the brake, babe.
I'm trying to match the pedals because I lock them together.
I know.
What do you want me to do?
Look at it.
All right, back in business. She did a good job. Sometimes I get aggravated, but it's not at her. It's because my shoulder hurts and I can't move around. Getting older, but at least I'm not shoveling. But anyway, let's stop talking. Let's just get to it. Well, it's kind of hard to film and work at the same time, but I'd say we're about halfway through the pile, and this is kind of what she looks like so far. You know, we're still packing it down and getting it in there. I'm having to come over here and scrape some of this hill because I can't get the tractor up on that hill, but it's looking good. So it's gonna be close. I don't know. I almost feel like we're gonna be a tidbit short, but it's better than nothing at this point. We still got quite a bit, I guess. We're not really tearing up the driveway too bad. I mean, with the amount of rain that we've had, but anyway, let me get back on the tractor and start dumping again. So it's a lot of work, especially I'm not a dirt operator, and you know, it's kind of hard to see what you're scooping into the bucket, but I'm doing it. Hopefully we have enough. We'll see. Stand by. Well, we were making progress. Retaining wall backfill looking pretty good. Half a pile left. Dead battery on the tractor. We were just using it. Stopped to take a break to get a game plan for trying to come around to this side. So I stopped to give the wife a break, shovel a little bit, brake a little bit, and then I go to get back on. Click, click, click. Boy, it'd be nice to have money and have a nice new tractor. All right, well, I gotta go find a battery charger, folks. I gotta keep on going. Pile's not gonna get any smaller if the tractor isn't running. All right, we got her finished up just as the sun was setting. So got a little bit of raking here on the driveway, and we have completed all the way around on the retaining wall. Left 2 piles here, so after it rains we can go back and fill in any low spots that we do have. So all in a day's work, a lot of man hours, a lot of money went into the retaining wall, the gravel, everything. So we didn't tear the yard up as bad as I thought, especially after it was raining yesterday, but that is a wrap. We are complete. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Dave, Rolling Springs Ranch.